Hello, and welcome to your Thursday edition of TradeFT Daily Financial News. We've lined up today's key market updates, analysis, and expert takes to support your financial decisions. Subscribe now to stay in sync with the markets, and check out TradeFT.com for comprehensive insights and strategies. And starting with US markets, Wall Street saw a mixed day. The S&P 500 climbed 0.82%, led by gains in tech, consumer discretionary, and communication services. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq soared past the 20,000-point milestone, closing 1.77% higher, fueled by a rally in mega-cap stocks like Nvidia and Amazon. On the flip side, the Dow Jones slipped slightly, down 0.22%, as health insurers faced pressure from a new bipartisan bill targeting pharmacy benefit managers. And in Asia, stocks surged overnight, with Japan's Nikkei climbing 1.5%, breaking the 40,000 mark for the first time in months. This boost came from strong chip sector gains and a weaker yen. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar rebounded strongly after better-than-expected employment data, reflecting optimism about domestic growth. In Forex, the US dollar held steady near a two-week high, supported by rising Treasury yields. Traders now place a 98% probability on a Federal Reserve rate cut next week. The euro and yen, however, managed slight recoveries as markets anticipated central bank actions in Europe and Japan. Turning to tech, Tesla shares jumped 6% to a record high, while Nvidia and Broadcom also posted significant gains, with Broadcom rallying 6.6% on news of Apple developing AI-focused server chips with the company. And finally, in commodities, gold reached its highest level since November, trading at $2,710 per ounce, supported by growing expectations of lower interest rates. Meanwhile, oil prices held steady as new European sanctions against Russia balanced weak global demand. Thanks for watching today's market update. If you found it helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the financial news. We'll see you tomorrow for our final update of the week. Stay connected with TradeFT.